Section 10 says the court may, wherein it deems it direct the or the whole or any part of the proceeding under the act be held in camera. Even in camera proceedings can also be directed by the court under section 10 of the family court rules. I have filed more than 10 applications in 10 different cases at Islamabad and Lahore and Karachi, in which I obtained such orders from the family courts, and in few orders I filed appeal when my application was rejected, and my appeal was allowed in those cases. So section 10A says the evidence of each witness shall be taken down in writing, and section 9 says, section 11 says where the parties agree to a compromise reconciliation. So section 11 is a door of compromise that is opened always for both the parties, as these are family issues. And section 12 is where the plaintiff or his pleader makes default in appearing before the court, the suit may be dismissed in default. So in absence, the family court is empowered under section 12 to dismiss those suits in default. And section 13 is ex parte decree proceedings may for sufficient cause shown be set aside by the court on application made by the party within 30 days. So section 13 is very famous section in which when the ex parte decree is passed in absence of the defendant within 30 days of that decree can file application under section 13, and the family court is empowered under section 13 to set aside its own decree, its own ex parte decree which has been passed ex parte. And then is section 14, every judgment or order shall be in written form, and then are registers of cases, decrees, orders which are mentioned in section 15 to section 21. Appeals are described in section 22, in which the rule 22 is divided into sub rules. Rule number 1, 2, 3, 4. Family Court Act is having sections in it, and family court rules are having rules in it. So rule number 22 is an appeal under section 14 shall be preferred within 30 days. And then rule number 23, the court shall on the application of any party, any dispute, allow inspection of the record. And then rule number 24, there shall be kept in the office of every court a seal. Finally, there are 3 forms in family court rules: form number 1, form number 2, form number 3. Form number 1 is form of decree, and form number 2 is receipt of fine, money or property, and form number 3 in family court rules are register of receipts and disbursement of family court. Thank you very much.